The joy of sound should be accessible to everyone. Forget expensive, bulky devices. Meet HearMate, the revolutionary app that transforms your everyday earphones into fully functional, personalized hearing aids. HearMate delivers truly crystal, clear sound. Experience rich, natural sound that naturally enhances your listening experience. It's all personalized hearing. You tailor your listening profile to your specific needs and preferences. Our advanced noise reduction technology minimizes background chatter, letting you focus only on the sounds you want to hear. We put you in control. The app includes simple volume control for comfortable listening in any environment. For health monitoring, utilize the built-in, free, and reliable hearing tests. Beyond just hearing better, HearMate offers unique situational awareness, or perfectly hear the TV dialogue clearly, even from a far distance. Flexibility is built in. HearMate is compatible with all models of Android smartphones, and supports all types of earphones, whether they are Bluetooth or wired. No extra hardware required, just the app. HearMate is the truly affordable alternative. Enjoy high-quality hearing enhancement without the high cost of traditional hearing aids. The first 500 users are free. After that, choose our flexible monthly or annual subscription plans. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our users say about HearMate on our site. Ready to change the way you hear? Let's connect.